welcome back to my channel. I'm Deni, and today we're going to be unboxing this Influenster Dove Men Care. So this was sent to me obviously by Influencer, and since I'm not a man but my husband can take benefit in these products, he's going to go ahead and open it. I just pre-cut it so that he can get into it.
So I just opened the box and this is what it looks like in the inside.
Smells good already.
Take this off right
Ooh,
here.
he got a whole bunch of stuff.
And they've got some products inside of it.
Ooh. I think this is what I'm smelling. This has in here, this first product is the Dove Men Care Extra Fresh Invigorating Formula Moisturizing Cream. This is a body and face bar. And then the next product that he has in here is a dry spray, which is an antiperspirant. This is deodorant.
Yep.
Awesome. And then he got a set of the shampoo and conditioner, and this is the body and face wash. I guess it's body wash and face wash all together. Like, how does that work? I'm used to having separate products, one for my face, one for my body, but I guess it's everything. That's why it's so big.
Yep.
And then this one is just shampoo and conditioner all together.
Yeah. You know, so, they had men in mind when they made these products, because us guys, when we get in the shower, we're always in a rush, and body and face wash, that's a real good thing. You know,
it's a good combination to have them
wash your
together.
body, you want to wash your face. There you go.
All in one. Let me smell that one.
And you got the shampoo and conditioner, because you know the shampoo and conditioner, they're always separate. So this is a good thing because it's all together, and you could just put it on and keep on going.
So this was an awesome box for him to actually test out. Have you used any of these products before?
No.
None of these?
I can't say I have.
The only product that I know that you've used was the antiperspirant, but not in the spray form. This is awesome. This was a really nice set for him to try. Let me know in the comments if you want him to come back and tell his experience with this. I actually want to spray. I want to spray this. Lift your arms. Put your arm right there. I know this goes under your arms, but I still want to smell it. It smells really fresh and clean.
Yeah,
I like it. I like this set. So this right here was our unboxing of the Influencer box, and that was really neat. I wish they had like a Dove for women's box, which that would be awesome to test out for myself, but I guess it would be a whole lot more products than just this. So this says it's a men's care extra fresh grooming kit, and it basically says everything that I just mentioned. What do you want to use the most?
The body and face wash and the shampoo and conditioner.
So those are the ones that you want to use the most?
And I'll use this guy too.
Well, you're going to use all of them, but
yeah, I'm going to use these three. I'm not a big fan of spray-on antiperspirants, but I will use it.
Well, it says it's 48 hours of protection. So it would be good to like test it out to see if it will last, how long it will stay fresh. And I mean, I'm curious about that. So that right there was the box. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you like this unboxing. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my GonzFam. And as always, from our house to yours, love ya.